Ever taken a perfect photo but something in the background ruins it? Yeah, same. In this video, I shall show you how to remove anything from your photos. People's, objects, distraction like it was never even there. Let's fix your photos in seconds. It's very easy guys. Watch the video till the end, let's start. For this editing, you don't need any app. Just open any browser you have. For example, I am using Google app. Click on search bar and just type Gemini AI and just search it. Scroll down and click on this search result. I have given link in the description. You can also visit this site from there. Just tap on it. After clicking on this link, you will see this interface. Now click on create image. Now click on this plus symbol to add your photo. Now click on upload files and just select the photo you want to remove the unwanted things. Okay, I have selected the photo. Now whatever the things, the person, the objects you don't want in the picture, just mention here. For example, remove persons behind and unwanted objects. Simply click on send. Gemini started working on your picture. By the way guys, if you are watching our videos and if you haven't liked, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, then do it guys. It motivates me a lot to make more videos for you. And here is our final result. You can see it looks amazing. You can see before one and the after one. And to download the picture, just tap on this 3 symbol and click on download image.